In this video, I am going to discuss how LinkedIn targeting works. One important thing about the LinkedIn that its targeting is more powerful than Facebook or the Google. According to my experience, this is the most. This its targeting is the most powerful than any other platform, and also that's why it's you can say cost per result is also expensive than any other platform. Why its targeting options are like you can say why its targeting options are so powerful, because uh, these they are LinkedIn is using the data from the its members profiles, and like members are incentivized to keep their profiles accurate and up to date for their networking, personal branding, and job opportunities. Members keep their profiles up to date for further network growth or for further opportunities. So it's like the options for targeting are most powerful, so we can reach the quality audience with using the LinkedIn targeting options, that will compose of like the influencers or the decision makers or the executives of any company. Also, as the members provide their own job experiences, their companies, their skills, and other information about them, so then we can target those people based on their like the experience, company skills, and education, and other targeting options. So first of all, for the targeting options, we need to use the location. First of all, just example, I want to target only for the United States. When I select the country, and I have don't like the used any other options from here, you can see it is showing the forecasted results or forecasted audience counts. So what it will show, it will display the total number of like the LinkedIn members that fit over targeting options. We need to if we need to launch the campaign, we must target at least 1000 members if we are using these targeting options, or at least the 300 potential target audience if we are using the matched audience. If we have too much low audience, then our ad will not run, and here the message will appear that audience is too narrow. So we need to target the audience that is as much as broader, as much as narrow, that fits over uh, expected audience. So after selecting the country, the next thing is selecting the language. If we are targeting the people that have the language other than English, so we can target the language here. The next thing is just selecting the interest or the audience demographics, educations, companies. So here you can see when we select the job functions, it will show the two options, audience attributes, and second one is the matched audience. Matched audience is normally used for the retargeting the people that we have some previous data like the website visits or the emails, etc. Right now, first of all, we are selecting the audience attribute, and from here you can see that it is showing company demographics, education, interest. So first of all, I am just selecting the company. So when we select the company, it will ask for the company connections, company followers of company industries, company names, and company size. So just example, if I want to select Apple company and Apple company connections, I can target those people who have connection with the Apple company. So first thing is about the company connections, that the company followers, the people that select the LinkedIn page of that company, just like the Apple company, we can select that, or we can use on our own company. It's normally used for our own company. If we want to target our own company followers, we can select this option. Next is the company industry. We can select any of the industry like agriculture, arts, construction, consumer goods, corporate services, design, education, entertainment, finance. These are the different industries that we can select. Just example, if I select the entertainment, then further subcategories of that industry will appear, like the broadcast media, computer games, motion pictures. Similarly, if I select the education, then again further subcategories will appear. Then we can also select the company name like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Walt Disney, and company size. We can also target the companies, our own companies, or the companies who have 2 to 8 employees, 11 to 50 employees, 510, like small to large multinational companies. We can target companies based on their sizes as well. Next is the demographic. In demographic, we can select two options. First is the member age. We need to select that, and we can target any of the age limit, or we can also select the genders like the male or female for targeting. Next is the education. We can target the people based on their degree like PhD, master, bachelor, associate, sciences. Just example, if we select master, then it will also again further narrow down to the relevant field. Field of study, we can also select the field of study like economics, social, computer science, marketing, business, finance. We can also target the schools. Normally it will not show all the world universities, but it will show the important ones that are the famous around the world. Next is the job experience. Job experience, we have first of all the job functions. For the job functions, you can see different fields that are more likely involved in real-time jobs like the accounting, administrative, arts and design, business development, community social engineering, entrepreneurship. Next is the job seniorities. We can target the people, just example, partner, owner, CXO, VP. Partner, if we select the owner, it means that it has the full or nearly full ownership of an organization. If we select the partner, they have the substantial partial ownership of an organization. If we select the CXO, those are the people that has direct reports and leadership responsibilities for the entire business function within any organization. Next is the VP or the vice president. These are the people who are in the executive management, and they have like they have the direct reports and leadership responsibilities for their business units. Next is the director. They are the multifunctional. They have the multifunctional management roles, and those have their job is to direct reports and leadership responsibilities for multiple group or individuals. Next is the manager. These are the positions that have direct reports and leadership responsibilities for a single group of individuals. Next is the senior. It also says senior individual contributor. These are the individual contributor positions that do not have any direct report but have leadership responsibility, advanced knowledge, and do not require immediate guidance. Next is the entry-level positions. Entry-level positions are for those individuals who are the contributors that do not have any direct report, no leadership responsibility, no advanced expertise, and contribute without any immediate guidance. Next is the training. Training, it includes the students, intern or internee position that need immediate guidance to individually contribute. Last one is the unpaid. Unpaid are more likely the volunteers. That positions, these positions normally do not require any job, and they are doing work for the welfare of their society. So next one is the job titles. Again, job titles, we can target the people based on their titles like director, engineer, executive, manager, or any based on any other job titles. Next is the member skill. We can also target the people based on their skills like the technical skill, content writing, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, communication, project coordination, Microsoft Excel, similar like this. Next, we can also target the people based on their experience. We can select here their experience starting from 1 year to up to 12 plus years of experience. Last one is the interest, and this is the most important part, because normally we are targeting the people based on their interest. So we can target the people based on two types of their interest. One is the member groups, and second one is the interest. Facebook, LinkedIn groups are the most powerful tool for targeting the people who are the members of the group. This option is not available even for the Facebook. We cannot target the group members for the Facebook, but here on the LinkedIn we can target the people who are the members of any specific group. So simply select that option, and you can just type any group name, and it will show the related groups like real estate investor, or something like that. So we can target any group that we can target the members of any groups who are available at the LinkedIn. Next is the member interest. We can target based on their interest like arts and entertainment, business and management, and then when we select any of the option, further their subcategories will appear. So we can target the people based on like subcategories, and for most of the categories it will again let you to the next level of their category. Just example, I have selected marketing search, and it will again let comes to the next sub point like the focus group or the market research. So these are the marketing these are the you can say targeting options available for LinkedIn ads. We can also exclude the people based on the similar these type of the audiences if we want to target the people. The next thing also the matched audience. For matched audience, we need to install the conversion tracking code on our website, or we need some previous data like the signups, email data, phone numbers of clients to create that matched audience. So in this way, we can target the people with the LinkedIn ads. And again, I am as per my experience, its targeting options are uh, more powerful than Facebook or the Google, and success level at LinkedIn is more than Facebook or Google.